Just look at this beauty. Come on now. Chelsea, come on now. Chelsea, come on now. Look at this beauty. Chelsea, come on.
All the dangers have been made up. You believe what they say.
Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to Sally Talks, aka.prestige. We'll talk about lifestyle, faith, relationship, business, marriage, school life, name it. Everything generally that entails around lifestyle. We discuss all of these amazing stuff over here on this channel. And if this sounds like what you're interested in, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up once you're done seeing this video, okay? And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get to be notified when next we upload another video. And to my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much, darling. Thank you for coming back to see my content. This means a lot and I love you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to be fixing a fake nails, like a DIY do it yourself, kind of nails. I'm going to be doing a DIY nails by myself. So if this sounds like what you wanna see, then see this video to the end. Don't go nowhere.